Alright guys, we got 6582 on the Disney Magic. Let's go ahead and take a step inside. Right inside here is the bathroom. I'm not going to do much of a tour here. There's your bathroom. Then you've got a closet here. There's not a lot of room here. Like this. Then we got the shower room right here. Diane's gonna get us a shower mat so we don't kill ourselves in that thing. Not that big of a room, is it? But it's big enough for us. The two of us. It's surely a lot different feel than those Triton class ships for sure, right? And we do have a balcony here. It's a Port of Galveston, guys. It's a nice day outside. It's a little chilled, but not too bad. It's about 1:30. We just got to our room.